Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. You guys, I missed you. I'm not sure if you noticed, but I took about a week off from YouTube. That is the first time that I've taken any time off from YouTube since I started the channel. As I mentioned before, I work 2 jobs, so I think it just kind of got to me and I needed a break. So I took some time off over the Christmas holidays and I am so excited to be back making videos for you guys. Because of that, it's time to do the 9,000 subscriber giveaway. So that will be in this video and I'm going to give you all the details here in just a second. Each milestone, I've done a $20 gift card giveaway. But if you remember, I set a goal for 2021 to hit 10,000 subscribers. Now, I am a goal-oriented person. I work very hard toward achieving my own personal goals. But setting goals for YouTube is a little challenging because there's a lot of variables that you can't control. You can't predict how videos will do. And so I wanted to pick a goal that was challenging, but possibly attainable. And I think I set a reasonable goal because I am very close. So what I decided to do, instead of doing a $20 gift card giveaway for 9,000 subscribers, if for some reason you guys can help me get to 10,000 subscribers by December 31st at 11:59, that $20 gift card will become a $100 gift card for the winner. So really what that means is if each of you watching invited just one person to subscribe to the channel, we would get there and that gift card would multiply by a factor of 5. So that's the deal. A $20 gift card for 9,000 subscribers. Unless I get to 10,000 subscribers by 11:59 on December 31st, then it will become a $100 gift card. The winner gets to choose either Walmart or Target. The winner will be announced in my Walmart video next Wednesday. All the official details are down in the video description box below, but essentially make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like the video, and drop me a comment below. And I want to know what one of your goals are for the 2022 year. I've been thinking about that as well. Obviously, I want to hit 10,000, so I have my son watching me work towards my goals. So we will be having a conversation whether I hit that 10,000 this year or not. I want to make sure he sees that I do my best and I work hard towards the goals that I set for myself. I'm thinking, and I'm still setting my 2022 goals, but I'm thinking I'd like to hit 20,000 in 2022. Is that possible? Honestly, I don't know. It's so hard to set goals related to YouTube because, like I said, there are just so many variables. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop me one of your goals for 2022. That gets you entered into the gift card giveaway. Winner announced next Wednesday, first Wednesday of the new year. Okay. Now let me talk to you about the Walmart deals for the week. Everything you see here, I got for just over $1. So I will walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. I try to break it down super simple for new couponers, and I do my best to find all the best deals, tell you about them, so it makes it crazy simple for you guys. One thing I was crazy excited to find was the Peet's coffee, because the store closest to me does not carry this and I keep looking. It is a freebie after I bought a rebate, and I did find it at a store near me. This is priced at $2.68. I found it up in the refrigerators by the registers. It was not on the cold coffee aisle. So it's $2.68. Ibotta's gonna give you $2.70 back, making it free, and a 2-cent moneymaker. If you have no idea what Ibotta is, it is probably my favorite cashback app. I do have a complete tutorial on how to use that app. I will link that for you down in the video description box below. But if you grab it using my referral code, they are currently doing a $10 bonus. So use that code, you will get $10 when you sign up and scan your first receipt. And of course, it is free to sign up for Ibotta. Another drink deal that I did was on the Rockstar Energy. This has been around for a couple of weeks. It's $1.50. My Ibotta was giving 75 cents back, making it just 75 cents. So Ibotta has bonuses, and right now I am working towards that huge bonus, $45 when you hit, I think it was 140 offers. I know I am 38 offers away, and I've got to get that over the next couple of days, but I was looking for some of the lesser expensive items to help me get to that bonus. Now, if you are new to Ibotta or you are a infrequent user, check because these were free at one point in time. So that offer could still be on your Ibotta app. I was talking with a friend yesterday and we were looking at their app and they had 2 bonuses. So mine was my midweek bonus was $3 for hitting like 15 offers. Theirs was $5 for doing 5 offers and then like another $3 for doing 6 offers. So essentially if she did 6 offers, she was gonna get $8 back, and she had like 5 free after rebate. So it ended up being an awesome moneymaker deal for her. So again, check if you haven't done this deal yet, you might be able to score it completely free. Let's stick with the Ibotta deals. I grabbed a Butterfinger again. I found it up by the register. It said it was $1. It actually rang up 74 cents. And then Ibotta gave me 25 cents back, making this just 49 cents. I grabbed the mac and cheese again. These are 96 cents. Ibotta's still giving 20 cents back on this, making this box just 76 cents. I did get some of the Dreamfields pasta. It's a little bit more expensive than regular pasta. It was priced at $2.08. I think the spaghetti is a little bit under $2. Ibotta had a rebate for 50 cents back, making this just $1.58. Again, that's more than I would typically spend on pasta, but I'm working toward that big Ibotta bonus. So after I get that $45 back, it's gonna make everything a great moneymaker. I bought this dip. I bought this a couple of times. It's $1.98. My Ibotta offer was for 75 cents back, making this just $1.23. The hell of a good dip. I then got the Williams taco seasoning. There were 2 different seasoning packets that you can get. There's Williams and then there's Sunbird. Both of them on my app are only giving 5 cents back, but these are pretty inexpensive to begin with. They're only 74 cents. So it got me 1 item closer to that big bonus. Plus I only spent 69 cents after the Ibotta rebate. So a simple, easy deal. Still look on the cereal aisle. I am still finding clearance cereal. This dark chocolate pretzel peanut, sweet and salty. These are priced at $1.28 at my store. My Ibotta app had $1 back, and that was a limit of 5. So I did actually grab 5 of these, planning to donate them to our local food bank because at 28 cents a bag, that seemed like a really good deal. Now, if you haven't done this deal yet, it should be $3.76 back when you buy 2 of them, making them both free and a moneymaker deal. So I'm putting together a big donation to take down to our food bank because I've gotten a lot of items lately for an amazing deal that I thought would be a great donation for the food bank. Was that everything food-wise for Ibotta? I think so. Let me talk with you about a few Shopkick food deals. Now, if you're brand new to Shopkick, of course, I do have a full tutorial on that app as well. I can link it down in the video description box for you. But if you grab it using SWC5, that's Saving with Christina 5, you will get $5 back when you scan your first receipt. And let me tell you some of the best Shopkick offers. So these Mentos gum, the vitamin C, they are priced at $3.32, again, by the register. There is a Shopkick offer for 800 kicks back. You get kicks for scanning it, and then you get kicks for purchasing it. So it's a total of $3.22 back, making this just 10 cents. And then this Ragu cheese sauce, this is not something I've ever purchased before, but you could totally make this a meal with the cheese sauce and the macaroni. It's $2.48. Shopkick is giving $2.08 back, making it just 40 cents. With Shopkick, every 250 kicks is $1. So however many kicks it says it's going to give you, divide that by 250, and that tells you how many dollars you're going to get back. Now, I also did the Shopkick offer on these Nestle Splash waters. You can see I grabbed 2 different kinds of waters. They both worked for the rebate, and I was able to do 2 because my Shopkick offers have been processing super fast. So these waters are priced at $1.67. Shopkick's giving back 500 kicks, which, as I just said, divide by 250, that means you get $2 back. So that means they are free and a 33-cent moneymaker on each of these 6 packs of water. So great deal there. Okay, so I think that was all the food. Shopkick offer on non-food items. I found this Find Your Happy Place. All of the holiday scents are marked half off. This is priced at $1.50. The hand wash, they had hand sanitizer, there's lotion and body wash. All of it was marked half off at my store. So this one being $1.50, there was a Shopkick offer giving $1.30 back. So it made this just 20 cents. And this was the cheapest one. I think the lotion and the body wash ended up still being more than I would want to spend, but still a great deal if that's a product that you really like. I also grabbed this Vaseline over in the travel section. It is priced at $1.77. My Shopkick app had an offer for any Vaseline product, get $2.36 back. So it made this completely free and a 59-cent moneymaker. I believe that was it on Shopkick. Let me tell you about the Ibotta offer that I did for these Bic Gelosities. This was a glitch. So these are priced at $7.38 a piece. You want to grab 2 of them. That's $14.76. Now, when I submitted my receipt, a $10 Ibotta rebate attached, as well as a $5 Ibotta rebate, making them both free and a 24-cent moneymaker. And these are the gel pens, so I'm excited to use these as I make my shopping list. Now, last deals. Oh no, this was an Ibotta deal. I was thinking it was Swagbucks, but it was Ibotta. The Air Durex condoms. These are the 3-pack. They are priced at $2.78, and Ibotta had an offer for $3 back. Now, I think this offer was expiring soon, so always double check your app and make sure you have these offers before going and doing the deals. But if you have that $3 offer, it makes it completely free and a 22-cent moneymaker, and the limit was 2, so I was able to buy 2 of the 3-count packs. The Shopkick app has an offer for the larger pack of this same brand. I think it was 900 kicks back, but it had to be the 10-count package of the Air Durex. Okay, now Swagbucks offers. Swagbucks is the one that I feel like confuses people the most, so check out my tutorial on that one. I feel like that would be helpful. But I had 0 issues with Swagbucks. It processed immediately. I got my money right away. So easy peasy. Swagbucks deals this week. I grabbed these Refresh car air fresheners. Now, I'm a doofus. I was thinking these would be found with like the Febreze air sprays. But of course, it's found over in the car section. So I finally got to the right spot to find these. They are $1.38 each. These are like those little clip-on air fresheners for your car. $368 total for 2 of them, but Swagbucks is giving you $5 when you buy 2 of them, making both of them free and $1.32 moneymaker. And you could do this deal twice per month. I only grabbed 2 of them, but I could have grabbed 2 more and done the deal a second time. The Penolin, the cleaner. So these are $2.47 at my store. Swagbucks has an offer for $4 back when you purchase 2 of them. So that makes it 94 cents for both, or just 47 cents a piece. So I thought that was a great deal on the cleaner. So again, I had that $3 midweek bonus when I did 15 offers. So that made everything here just over $1 after that bonus. So awesome deals over at Walmart. If y'all have questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Couple of quick reminders. At the end of each of my videos, I show pictures of items that you can find on, or that I found on clearance. Hopefully you can find on clearance at your store as well. Also, get yourself entered in the giveaway. This video, drop a comment on what your goal is for 2022. Share my channel with someone else. That way we can get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and that $20 gift card becomes a $100 gift card. Thanks, guys.